Hey you, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about something huge. AI. AI is totally changing the game, especially in the field of data analytics. AI can now analyze huge amounts of data faster and smarter than ever before. From automating reports, spotting trends, and even predicting the future with data, and you don't have to do anything, but AI can do those things for you. And the best part, you don't have to be a data scientist or even a programmer to learn this. Anyone can learn how to use AI to analyze data. So there are many AI tools out there. There's even AI in Excel, and then there are specialized AI softwares like ChatGPT. So I am doing something for you guys. I'm going to create a series on this topic. I'm going to teach you guys different ways to analyze data using AI, using Power BI, Copilot and Power BI in Excel, and even different specialized AI softwares. So this video is the first of this series. So if you want to be updated on each video I release on this series, like this video, click the subscribe button and then follow me. Let's begin. For today, I'm going to teach about ChatGPT. So I'm going to teach you guys how to use ChatGPT to analyze data, step-by-step process on how you can do that, the different prompts you can give ChatGPT, and even ChatGPT can give you recommendation based on your data. So you don't have to know everything in all the fields out there. ChatGPT can be your co-worker and assistant. Okay, so let's go right into ChatGPT. So first, download the sample data set in the description below. The sales data contains customer names, region, product sales, sales amount, and date. So open it up. We are going to be using or making use of that data just in case you want to follow along in this video. So guys, go to your web browser and search for ChatGPT and then open it. So this is ChatGPT. So now the next thing you are going to do is to upload the file you want to make use of. So we're going to click on this plus, click on add photos, and we are going to select the file we want to work with. So as it's uploading, you can just ask ChatGPT to summarize the data for you. So we're asking ChatGPT, give me the summary of this data, the total sales, number of customers, and product sold. So we're just going to do that and we'll click on enter. So it's going to analyze this data and give you the total sales, number of customers, and product sold. So yeah, the total sales is this, number of customers is this, and product sold is that. So now the next thing you can do is that you can ask ChatGPT to give you total sales by different regions. So you can say which region has the highest total sales amount. Please show the sales by each region, and then you can click on enter. So now the North region has the highest total sales. Here are the total sales by each region. So these are the total sales by each region. And now you can find out something else. So the next thing I would like to find out is the best selling product. So I'm going to put in the prompt here, which product sold the most in terms of sales amount. This lists all products with their total sales. So we are going to do that. So now ChatGPT is telling us that the laptop is the top selling product in terms of total sales amount. Here the laptop sales by product, the laptop is $3,600, the phone is $1,800, the table is $1, $1,750. Right? Now we are going to ask ChatGPT to create a chart for us. So we are going to say create a chart showing total sales amount per month. So you see, ChatGPT is giving us a chart showing total sales amount per month. So January 2025 had the highest sales, followed by February, followed by March, and then April. Okay, and you can even go ahead to ask ChatGPT. You can go ahead to ask ChatGPT to give you recommendation based on the data, based on the insight gotten. They say based on this sales data, what strategies can be used to increase sales in the South region? So it's definitely going to give you what? So you see, this is what the recommendation ChatGPT is going to give you. And then the best thing is, now you might want to analyze data using either Excel or Power BI or even Python. Don't worry, ChatGPT can do that for you. You can ask ChatGPT, give me a step-by-step guide on how to analyze this data using Excel, and ChatGPT can give you a step-by-step guide where to click, how to click it, how to do it to actually analyze your data. And you can use ChatGPT to get ideas on the kind of analysis you can do. You can tell ChatGPT, okay, this is the problem statement, do so and so. I have a book that I wrote down all the prompts you can use to analyze data using ChatGPT. Not this kind of analysis, like all the prompts you can use to bring out important analysis and complex analysis, including Python codes in Excel and Power BI, even SQL. So this book has all the different prompts that you can use for different kind of analysis, and it's just going out for a token. I'm going to put a link to contact me in the description so you can chat me up to get the book for yourself. So guys, this is it for today on how to use AI to analyze data. So next video comes up very soon. Click on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I put out a new video. I hope this video really helped you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys later in my new video. Bye.